So this is what we are going to create today. Welcome to Tube Media Tutorials. I will show you how to make a hip-hop music video using the Wondershare Filmora 12 Video Editor. First, add some dancing videos, preferably with clean background. You can download from stock media as well. I have added 5 such videos to the timeline as you can see here. Now, first we are going to use an AI tool called AI Portrait, which can be found in the toolbar or in the video settings, AI Tools. It will remove the background from the videos. Set the edge thickness and edge feather as needed. Do this for all the videos here. With the help of artificial intelligence, Filmora can do such complex tasks in a second. Now we need a background, so let's move all the videos one layer up. Go to the Effects tab, search for Cyber Green Screen. You will find some very beautiful backgrounds that can be used in the music video. I like this one, so let's drag and drop this into the lower track of the timeline. You can drag to extend the background video. Next, we will superimpose all the video layers one above another so that all the dancers seem like dancing on the same platform. Resize the videos and place them at proper places on the frame. While doing so, make sure people dancing at the back are at the lower tracks and are smaller in size. People at the front should be bigger and at the higher tracks. It will take some time and patience. I am just giving you an idea how it will look. Before we add the music, let me show you a few more interesting backgrounds, like gaming green screen. This one looks pretty cool. You can try as many as you want before you finalize. Also, you can search for retro green screens. These are extremely beautiful. Let's settle for this one. Now let's add music. You can download dance music from Filmora Audio Library. If you have the music, put it in the timeline at the beginning of the project. With the music, the hip-hop dance video seems great. Now to get a smoother playback, I am keeping just 2 layers for now, because next I will be applying some great effects from Filmora 12 library. Go to AI Portrait Effects, check out these effects like human border, glow outline or paper stroke. There are some neon ring effects that perfectly go with the music video. Let me apply this neon flow effect. This flashing outline is also quite cool. You must check out these AR stickers as well. Let me apply this one called Pirate. Filmora detects the faces and applies the stickers very nicely. This neon horn is also very cool. Let's check some lightning effects also, which will look nice in the music video. This one is called Anime Overlay 2. It looks just perfect. The lightning effects will look like this. Let me recreate the preview video I showed you at the beginning. These are the effects I used. Now this is the final hip-hop music video made entirely with Filmora Video Editor. This is the end of today's tutorial. Check Tube Media Tutorials channel for more advanced Filmora videos. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe.